Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now we'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 27th August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. Question says, a tuning fork is vibrating at 250 Hz. The length of the shortest closest organ pipe that will resonate with the tuning fork will be. So you need to find out, you have been given an organ pipe which is closed. So this is closed organ pipe, just like this. Okay. So the length of the shortest organ pipe, at which let this length of the shortest organ pipe be L, and this length would be shortest only if the waves that it produces having a wavelength of lambda by 4. Okay, if lambda by 4 is a oscillating wave that it is producing. Okay, so if the lambda is a wavelength of the oscillating wavelength wavelength that is producing, so the for the shortest wavelength to produce a wavelength of lambda by 2. So let this L length of the tuning fork that is coming out to be, and this length must be equal to lambda by 4. Okay. Now the tuning fork will vibrate, and tuning fork has a frequency of 250 Hz, which has already been given to you. Okay, so what would be its length? So the length of this tuning fork that you need to find out. So this length comes out to be lambda by 4. Also the speed of this sound is already given to you as, the speed of the sound is 340 meter per second. We know the relationship between speed as well as frequency also. So you can easily write the expression as the speed is nothing but frequency multiplied by its wavelength. Okay, so the value of lambda we can put it from here, and this lambda is nothing but 4 times of L. We'll be putting the value of these whole terms in it. So this V comes out to be F into by 4L, and from this expression the length of this the length of this organ pipe can be easily calculated as V by 4 times of this frequency. So we'll be putting the value of speed, which is 340, divided by 4 times of frequency, which is 250 Hz. Okay, so the expression comes out to be 17 by 2 into 25 meter. So this expression is coming into meters, so you have to convert it into centimeter. For that you have to multiply it with 100. So you'll get, this expression is 4, so this is 2, so the final answer comes out to be 34. So 34 centimeter must be the length of this organ pipe in order to accommodate this 1/4 of wavelength. Okay, and this is also the shortest length of the organ pipe that you can get in order to produce a sound. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.